Let's talk about the heavy chain diseases, which are part of the plasma cell disorders. The heavy chain, as you know, that an antibody is basically a combination of a heavy chain and a light chain. These two chains are combined by the disulfide bridges, as you can see here. The various regions of the antibodies are the variable regions, which is basically the antigen binding region, and the complement region or the constant region, which binds to the complement. This variable region for the heavy chain has the V, D, and J recombination, and for the light chain has the V and J recombination, which gives rise to the idiotype of the antibody binding to the antigen. So certain types of heavy chain diseases have been presented. Again, explaining this slide, the complement binding site is denoted by this C region. This is also the Fc receptor binding site present on neutrophils and other cells, and the antigen binding site is here. And the two different types of heavy chain diseases have, one has a deletion in a variable region of the heavy chain, and other has a light chain binding site abnormality, which is deleted. So either there is a deletion in antigen binding site or a deletion in the light chain binding site. These are the two major pathologies in the heavy chain diseases. As the name signifies, it is the problem here, or the proteins which are found out in this region only have the heavy chain. They are not a complete immunoglobulin. There is absence of the light chains. The major classifications are either it's the alpha heavy chain disease, or a gamma heavy chain disease, or a rare entity defined by the mu heavy chain disease. This was the basic classification. We're going to talk about the individual in the coming sections.